रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Our today's topic is working of circulatory system. Working of circulatory system or functioning of circulatory system. Dear students, as discussed earlier that the circulatory system is responsible for the circulation of blood throughout the body. For the circulation of blood in all body. For this purpose or for the sake of circulation, blood needs to be pumped by the heart, which is carried by the veins from different body parts and then transported via means through and then transported through arteries to all body parts where the capillaries bring about in exchange of materials, where the capillaries help in the exchange of materials. For circulation, the heart has four main blood routes, four main blood pathways into and out of the heart through veins and arteries, which are vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and aorta. Dear student, look at the picture and observe different veins and arteries. First one, vena cava, which are blue in color. It is a vein carrying deoxygenated blood, a blood which has poor oxygen, carrying deoxygenated blood from the different body parts of the body to the heart. Second one is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is also blue in color and it is on the upper position. An artery that carries deoxygenated blood from the heart towards lung for the purpose of oxygenation. Then pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is red in color, the only vein in the body which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Oxygenated blood is a blood that contains huge amount or rich amount of oxygen, and it is the one and only vein in the body which carries or which transport oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Then we have aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in the body and it is responsible for carrying oxygenated blood away from the heart to the different parts of the body. So it was all about the main arteries and veins. Dear students, on each pump mean one half of the left side and other half of the right side. One half left side of the heart sends oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, while the other half means right side of the heart sends or transport deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Due to this reason, the human heart is also called the double circulatory system, because one side of the heart is responsible for the transportation of oxygenated blood, while the other half or the other part of the heart is responsible for the transportation of deoxygenated blood. That's why it is called double circulatory system. Dear student, one of the scientists, one of the Arab physician, Ibn al-Nafis in Arab physician, he explained pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Let me define these two types of circulation. Pulmonary circulation is a circulation which is involved in the movement of deoxygenated blood, while systematic circulation is a type of circulation which is responsible for the movement of deoxygenated blood, only oxygenated blood. In one of his famous books, he described the coronary vessel. Coronary arteries are the blood vessels that supply the heart with the blood, oxygen, and also nutrients. Due to the work of Ibn al-Nafis, due to the efforts of Ibn al-Nafis, proper understanding of systematic circulation means oxygenated blood movement began. Dear students, the circulation of blood is a life-sustaining, life-continuing process that not only keeps our cells healthy but also keeps us alive. Our heart pumps blood according to the oxygen of our body. Whenever we are asleep, our body process works slowly. It works gradually. The heart also slows down its pumping, but it pumps harder when our body is doing any physical task, like any physical activities like running, heavy exercise, etc. As cells need more oxygen to perform their functions, to perform their daily tasks during physical exercise. Dear student, this is the flow diagram of the working of circulatory system. This diagram explains that how the circulatory system works. So draw it on your rough notebook and also learn more about the working and functioning of circulatory system. Stay blessed, stay safe, best of luck, take care and Khuda Hafiz.